Imagine waking up to a world where your money works for you, where the clink of coins in your pocket is replaced by the sweet sound of dividends hitting your account. Picture a world where financial freedom isn't just an idea, but a tangible reality. This is not a far-off dream, it's within reach. Just like retiring comfortably means different things to different people. There are countless financial scenarios to consider. Some might explore reverse mortgages, selling off possessions, or moving to an affordable place. But there's another option that often gets overlooked: living on investment dividends. Imagine earning $2,900 a month from your investments. Stick around, because we're going to share 3 fast ways to achieve that goal. The secret sauce for determining your ideal investment amount comes down to your desired lifestyle and, of course, the numbers. Sure, the average person spends around $67,000 a year, but that might not be the right benchmark for you. Adjust based on your specific needs, aspirations, and level of comfort. Now, let's add a touch of intrigue. Picture a life where your investments generate a consistent income stream, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without touching your principal. It's like having a secret money tree that keeps growing and providing for you. With passive dividends, the possibilities become enticing. Remember, this journey is about finding the balance that aligns with your dreams. Visualize the life you want to lead, and let the numbers guide you toward the investment amount that'll make dividends your ticket to financial freedom. In this video, we'll show you how to hit the target of $2,900 a month or $35,000 a year. Dividend Explained. Before diving into strategies, let's understand what dividends are and how they work. Imagine being a part owner of a company by owning some of its stock. When that company makes a profit, it can either grow the company or distribute profits to shareholders as dividends. As a shareholder, you'd receive a portion of that profit based on how many shares you own. Dividends can be given as cash or reinvested in more shares of the company's stock. Companies have different schedules for paying dividends, but many do it every 3 months. Dividend yield measures how much you're earning from dividends compared to the stock price. It can vary from company to company and even change over time. Generally, more established companies offer higher dividend yields than smaller, newer ones. To calculate dividend yield, divide the annual dividends per share by the price per share. For example, if a stock is priced at $100 per share and pays $10 in dividends each year, the dividend yield would be 10%. Understanding dividend yield helps evaluate investments, allowing you to compare different stocks and make smart decisions based on your goals and risk tolerance. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide regular income without selling shares, enabling you to enjoy a steady stream of money while keeping your investment intact. For those interested in earning passive income, dividends can be a compelling strategy to consider. Strategy 1. Covered call ETFs. One of the quickest paths to living off dividends is by investing in covered call ETFs. These unique funds offer income from both stock appreciation and dividend payments. The ETF invests in stocks and writes call options on those stocks to generate additional income. Call options give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy a stock at a specific price within a certain time frame. When the ETF sells call options, it receives premium income paid out as dividends. Several popular covered call ETFs include XYLD, OILC, and EWZ, offering attractive yields often in the double digits, significantly higher than traditional dividend stocks. Let's look at their 12-month trailing yields. XYLD, 11.83%. OILC, 11.82%. EWZ, 11.81%. These ETFs provide income from both dividends and option premiums, resulting in a more stable and reliable stream of passive income. However, these ETFs come with risks, such as options expiring worthless or stock price declines impacting overall performance. To earn $2,900 per month or $35,000 per year through covered call ETFs, You would need an investment ranging from approximately $280,000 to $310,000. This is appealing compared to traditional dividend stocks, where you'd need around $2 million to achieve the same income level. Covered call ETFs offer an opportunity to generate a steady income stream while minimizing the required capital. Strategy 2. High-yield REITs. Another way to earn $35,000 per year or $2,900 per month through dividends is by investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs invest in real estate properties like malls, offices, and apartments, sharing their profits with investors as dividends. Some high-yield REITs include Two Harbors Investment Corporation, 20.3% dividend yield; Brandywine Realty Trust, 19.9% dividend yield; Orchid Island Capital Incorporated, 19.4% dividend yield. Historically, REITs have shown solid performance with an average annual return of 10.8% over the past 20 years. Investing in REITs can be a smart way to grow wealth while earning a steady income. However, REIT income can fluctuate based on property rentals and the economy's performance. While REITs offer higher dividends than regular stocks, they can be riskier during economic downturns. To earn $35,000 per year from REITs with an expected 10.8% yield, you'd need to invest about $320,000. This number can change depending on your investment choices. Saving and investing a certain amount weekly, letting dividends accumulate until you reach your goal, could lead to financial independence in about 5 to 7 years. Strategy 3. Dividend Aristocrats. Dividend Aristocrats are special stocks from companies in the S&P 500 index with a record of increasing dividend payments to shareholders for at least 25 years. Some top dividend aristocrats include 3M, Leggett & Platt, and Walgreens Boots Alliance, offering an average dividend yield of around 7%. Dividend aristocrats consistently raise dividends, making them great options for earning income from investments. They are well-established companies, less likely to be bought out, and tend to perform better during tough economic times. To meet the goal of $2,900 per month, considering a 7% yield, you'd need to invest $500,000. This is a fraction of the $2 million required for traditional dividend stocks with the same payout. Spreading investments across multiple dividend aristocrats can reduce risk. These stocks have a strong track record of increasing dividends, and their inclusion in the S&P 500 index adds credibility. Investing in dividend aristocrats provides the potential for regular income and capital growth. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable from it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember, the journey to financial independence through dividends involves visualizing your desired lifestyle, understanding your financial needs, and making calculated investment decisions. With patience, discipline, and strategic planning, you can achieve the goal of living off dividends and enjoy a life of financial freedom. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.